It's winter here, so it's a bit cold, but we're just making do. hmm Okay, so have a good glimpse and view of Botswana. Okay, it's a bit um, dark in a way because it's evening time here. Yeah. So I'm just walking to the mall to get some stuff. Hi. So I'm here going into the mall. Okay, to get some little things. Sights and sounds of Botswana. Okay, so I'm walking into the mall. So you're gonna shop a little with me? Okay, let's do some shopping. So here I am. My basket. Let me give you some view. Okay. So these are the fruits and groceries. You can see broccoli, some bell pepper, some pear, and then some apples. See? Okay. So I just doing some little shopping. All right. So just shop with me. Okay. I'm actually not buying much. I need some little. So we have some drinks here. Okay, just a little, side. Hello, I want my sis here. Hi, say hi. Hello, love you. Bye bye. So I'm just inside the mall trying to get some groceries, and this is how the shop looks like. So this is the sight and sound of Botswana inside the mall here. All right. Thank you for shopping with me. Bye.